I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing an advanced technique exercise. This is advanced because of how hard it gets in the progression of it. You can always modify it to make it more intermediate if you want to, but this one's definitely advanced. So this is a Maxi Ford and Irish progression. You'll see, it's basically the same pattern, but you change one little thing about it and it completely changes the step. It's so cool. So let's go ahead and get started. It starts easy. It's step, shuffle, jump, toe, step, shuffle, jump, toe, step, clap. So it's 2 Maxi Fords and a step clap. Easy, right? The rhythm goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're stepping on 1 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, and then step, clap, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From there, your left foot's free. You're going to do the exact same thing on the left, but no clap. Cool? So there's a clap on the right, but not on the left. So it goes from the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you hold 8. It's the rhythm I wanted to go with. So right and then left one more time, and then I will teach you the second part of the progression. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. The second part of the progression, you add a grab off or a pickup into the Maxi Ford. So instead of step, shuffle, toe, it's step, shuffle, pickup, toe. So you're doing like a little pull before you land the Maxi Ford. If you've never done a pickup or a grab off before, I do have a step tutorial on how to do pickups and grab offs. I almost said pullbacks. I have that too, but pickups and grab offs, I do have a step tutorial, so check that out if you need to learn that, and then just come back to this video when you're ready. If not, if you already know how to do that, cool. Just throw the pickup or grab off, whatever you call it, in there. Cool. And if you're at the point where you're learning grab offs, but you're not there to do it off your toe yet, that's okay. You can do these flat-footed too. It's wherever you are in your learning journey. Go there, okay? So you had 2 normal Maxi Fords, 2 with a pickup. Let's try putting that together. 5, 6 from the top, 6, 7, 8. Pick up. Good. From there, part 3. All right, so we are going to switch from a Maxi Ford to an Irish. That switch can be very difficult because you're used to switching feet to not switching feet. Crazy, right? So you have 2 Irishes, stamp, clap, 2 Irishes, stamp. Hi, Sayuri. Standing right in front of my feet. Not really good, okay? She's been in every video I filmed today. All right, so just the Irish part. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So let's add that on. So it's Maxi Ford with a grab off or pickup, Irish. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab off. Irish. Good. She's all over the house today. She's probably like run back and forth in the middle of me filming a million times and I had no idea because I was facing the other way. All right, part 4. You add a pull back into your Irishes. So instead of step, shuffle, step, you have step, shuffle, single-footed pullback step. And again, if in your journey of learning, you need to have your foot flat, that's okay. You can do this flat-footed until you're ready to come up on your toes. It's totally fine. So that last part, you add that single pullback. So let's try it on the right and on the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Crazy hard, right? I mean, yeah. So we have Maxi Ford with a grab off, Irish with a pullback. That's the progression. Can we try it? Then we'll try the music. All right, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab off. Irish. Pick up. Whew. I said pick up, I meant pull back, but it's the same. All right, shall we try it with a song? Come on, this is gonna be fun. It's probably gonna be a little quick, but that's why I listed this as advanced. We'll be all right. And a 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 6, and a 7, and 8, 8. So it's a little quick, but we got this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Measure, and then you learned a fantastic tap technique exercise today. All right, let's just do it one last time, just for funsies. Right, Sayuri? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exercise with me today. I always have fun making these for you. If you're not already a subscriber on this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this of all levels. So like if you're not advanced and this was way too hard, I got beginner, intermediate, I got intermediate, I got like intermediate/advanced, I got everything. There's step tutorials, there's choreography tutorials. Right, baby girl? Come here. Or just stare at me, that's cool too. I don't know if you can see her little head down there. But choreography tutorials where we learn a little combination to a super fun song. Lots of tap dance content for you, and it's all free. I am your YouTube tap teacher, and I absolutely love it. So please subscribe and join the tap fam. Also hit that thumbs up button because Sayuri has just wrecked every single video I've made today, but in the cutest way, so I don't mind. All right, well, I had so much fun with you guys today, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.